Okay guys, I'm going to try and show you how to remove the battery from a Citroen C4 or a DS4. A lot of them are exactly the same, the Peugeots, but this particular car is a DS4 1.6 HDI diesel. Not as easy as a normal car, but not too bad. So here we go. Firstly, we need to take off this top cover. There's a couple of releasing tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that should just release that little cover off there for us. No need to disconnect any of these. They're all left as they are. All we need to do on the front of the bat is just simply disconnect the battery itself. This is the positive terminal. Lift it up, out and away, and that's the positive terminal disconnected. Then this whole assembly, the main fuse panel here, all comes away as one unit. Doesn't actually come off the car, but we need to just peel it back out of the way. There's a couple of catches, one there and one here. I think there is one. There it is. Get in there, get under that one, and then there we go. Just the unclips, and then pull it out, take it over to one side, make ourselves a little bit of room. Next thing is we have this cable here, which is clipped onto the front of this case. It's just again a little clip, and remove the clip off the harness. Harness off the front. I'm not sure, the camera's not in a fantastic position, but you'll just have to bear with me, lads. Then this whole cover should release itself, a little bit of upward pressure, and it should just come out. And that's it. And obviously that releases all of that, and we can go on to the next step. The next step, lads, is the negative terminal on the battery itself, which is right in here at the back. I don't know if you can see it just here. I'll zoom in for you now. It's just a 10mm. You can see it just in there. 10mm socket, and that will release the back of the battery, the negative terminal on the battery. So I'm just going to use long extension 10mm socket straight on. Couple of spins, just enough to release that terminal, and hopefully, as long as we can reach in there. Oops, sorry about the camera, lads. As long as we can reach in there, okay, should be able to get that off the battery. Sorry this is so awkward, lads. I'm just going to show you this again. There's that 10mm nut, just a long extension 10mm socket, and give it a couple of turns anti-clockwise to get it released, and then the battery terminal should just lift up off of there. Might need a little shake, but it'll come off. So yeah, 10mm ratchet, long extension, 10mm socket, down onto that 10mm bolt down there, and just give it a couple of turns, take the tension off. And let's see how we go with that one. Yeah, looks like we're winning. Bolts loose. Be careful here, you don't drop the bolt down the side. Lucky for me, I have a little magnetic, which hopefully I've been to fish it out without losing it down the side.